I'm going to show you in this tutorial, in this Figma tutorial, how to scale text in Figma. So it's really easy. Let's jump right into this video. If you have any questions, more questions about Figma, leave your questions down below. Subscribe for more tutorials. I really appreciate it. Really make me happy. And now I'm going to show exactly what you have to do. So now when we actually scale text, we add some text, let's say here, and I have some text here, and I want to scale this text. Is not scaling this way, and you know that this is really a really popular feature which Figma it does have this feature, but it's kind of like not really hidden. But yeah, if you're a beginner, probably you don't know where that is located, and I didn't know, and this solution is quite easy. You're gonna have to go here, and you see here move, which is going to move the text, but if you want to scale, you're gonna have to click on that, and now it's actually changing the scale. Now press V or K shortcuts. Very nice. V. Now no, just scaling the text right here. You are awesome. Now I re-click again, reselect. Now I want to scale this. I just press K, and now I can scale the text. Very nice and easy. You're able to scale text. So yeah, all we have to remember is that we're gonna have to go here to change from move to scale, but of course we don't have to go here. Just use the shortcut V or K. So you can use V or K, the shortcuts, to change move, V, to scale, K. And also I'm gonna tell you this shortcuts is if you drag and hold, while you drag you hold Alt or Option on MacBook, you can create copies. It's not really related to the topic of today, but I think can really help you to learn this shortcut as well. So yeah, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, things that you like to know about Figma, let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next video. I hope you can have a fantastic day. Take care.